20mm difference, 2 centimeters difference. Bosh, there you go. Feet definitely lower. You straight. You got what shoes would you have before then? It's made you think that.
Yeah. I love the adaptive height as well. Unless you really look for it. Yeah. Yeah. Fuck.
Put the needle on the record.
So Richie has some issues, some identity issues. He doesn't know what to identify as. He's what we call, he's motorcycle fluid at the moment.
I'm just gonna smell. Yeah.
Richard's smelling bikes. This is the one he's going for. Yeah, so hang on, let me get this, I'm gonna get this straight. So Rich has very genuine, what would you call it then? Not gender fluid, motorcycle fluid.
Yeah.
It come down here with the full intention of riding the GS, 1300 GS, which we've done, both done. Very good. Noisy, I think, is worth. The engine seems noisier. They haven't taken the hint about the rear lights. The brake lights are still integral in the the indicators, rather than actually having a separate brake light. Come on BMW, that's an easy fix. They don't stand out when you indicate and you're braking. But there you go. Noisy engine on the 1300. It's noisier, but my Christ, it's got a stack more punch than the 1250 and the 1200. It's noticeably more punchy, I reckon. Light, nimble, feels smaller, but it's a bigger bike, or bigger engine bike. Feels smaller. And then you got the RT, which is still the 1250, and is this the one that's got Richie thinking a little bit. His wife has said yes. What did you thought so, real? Genuinely?
Genuinely, I'm genuinely torn. Because I loved that. I love that. It was great fun to ride. But for distance and touring, it has to be that.
It's the responsible bike. It's the responsible out of the two, isn't it? It's the responsible child that's been to university and got a doctorate in engineering and is saving up for a mortgage. It's not the ASBO child.
I love that blue as well.
It's a nice colour. K16's definitely a no for me. It's lovely. It is an absolute rocket ship.
That's not happening.
That's not happening.
No, that's not happening.
It is a rocket ship, but it is big. Yeah.
Yeah.
He's there, look. Yeah.
Oh, there he is.
What have I done now?
No, just say you can get the seat lower again for this one.
Yeah, you can get a lower seat for
Yeah.
it. Yeah, that's a stand seat, lower position. They come with 2 settings underneath that you can change, but you can get a lower seat if you wanted it lower.
That might be an option for you.
Yeah.
Just for that extra bit of reassurance.
Yeah.
There's a place literally just down that road over there, and they will cut the foam to exactly the seat height that you want.
And for you, that means a divot here for your extra big balls.
That's what I'm sitting so high, John.
Got you.
I'm really taken with them both, actually. Really impressed. Oh, good.
John's been hassling me to do the reveal. What did I go for? This is the beast. I went for the RT1250, and it's a hell of a bike. Very impressed, very happy with it. I just need to get out and ride it now. Merry Christmas.